Located at the heart of Schneider Electric Scarborough plant, our Customer Hub brings our products and EcoStruxure solutions to life. Here, you can explore our latest technologies and uncover the story, values and commitments that drive us. This hub is a true co-innovation space. A world-class environment where we create tailored solutions to boost energy efficiency across multiple sectors, including distribution networks, EV and transportation, renewables, and commercial and industrial buildings. Meet the experts, experience the technology firsthand, and discover how we can help power your business ambitions. Contact your local Schneider Electric representative and join us for an immersive Customer Hub experience and tour of a world-class facility.